In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Steam Mobile Tools purchase. If you're trying to complete a purchase in the Steam mobile app and it keeps failing or not prompting you correctly, don't worry. There are a few simple things you can try that often solve the problem quickly. First, restart the app. Completely force close the Steam app on your phone instead of just minimizing it, then open it again. This helps clear temporary glitches that can interfere with purchase verification. In many cases, the app may simply need a fresh launch to start working properly again. If that doesn't fix it, try making a single item purchase instead of buying multiple items at once. For example, if you're picking up several trading cards or trying to complete a badge through a bulk purchase, buy just one card individually first. After you submit that purchase, stay on the store page and wait for the mobile app to prompt you for verification. This step is important because leaving too early can sometimes interrupt the approval process. Once that single purchase goes through and is approved, bulk purchasing often starts working normally again. Another common cause is an active VPN. If you have a VPN turned on, disable it before trying the purchase again. VPNs can interfere with location checks, and that can cause Steam's purchase verification to fail. After turning it off, return to the app and try the purchase one more time. These fixes are simple, but they're often the fastest way to get mobile purchases working again. Restarting the app clears minor issues. Buying one item can re-trigger the approval process properly, and disabling a VPN removes possible location-related errors. If you follow these steps carefully, you should have a much better chance of getting your Steam mobile purchase to go through without any